Hey everybody, this is a real quick video. If you have a Honda vehicle and the check engine light comes on and when you run diagnostics, it gives you either a P0324 or P0325 error. The issue here is with the knock sensor. Luckily, it's a very cheap and relatively easy thing to fix. I will put a longer link to a longer video that shows you how to fix it, but all you need to do is first get the sensor. You can get them right off of Amazon. I'll put a link in the description. They're only like 15 bucks. And once you get this sensor, it looks like this. It actually plugs in here. So what you're going to need to do is then just come to your vehicle, get inside your vehicle, and you're going to have to find, it's going to look like this, and basically you're going to unplug here and then unscrew the old sensor and then screw the new one in. But again, I will put a link to a longer video that shows you how to do it, but they're in a little bit different place depending on which vehicle you have anyways. I hope this video helped you figure out what's going on. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.